a wizard, Gary! I said you were a wizard, Gary! With the Sunsa Wand, never open the blinds like a silly human again! With the Sunsa Wand, wizards can control their blinds from anywhere in the world using magic. Unlike other expensive and complicated to install smart blind systems, you can save time and human money by keeping your old blinds. The Sunsa Wand works with most blind systems, such as horizontal, vertical, or mini blinds. It's simple to install in less than 2 minutes. Just replace your current boring human wand with the Sunsa Wand.
Can't I do that with magic?
Well, it's so easy it might as well be magic, Gary.
If you're a forgetful wizard, use magic to create schedules for your Sunsa Wand to open and close the blinds.
Where does my power come from?
AA batteries, Gary. Or the sun, with optional solar adapter, or plug it directly into the wall to tap into your home's magic.
The Sunsa Wand's temperature and light sensors will automatically close or open your blinds, keeping your house cooler or hotter, which saves money on your energy bill from not using your AC.
Now repeat after me. Alexa.
Alexa.
More of a chest thing, like really project, like be intentional. Now go on, give it a try on your own.
Alexa, open the blinds.
Okay.